Good day, this is BVI Channel 1 News Flash. I'm Queen Madu. Asare Dokubo announces the rebirth of Biafra customary government. Chief Asare Dokubo, the Biafran National Council chairman, has just been elected to lead the Biafra de facto customary government. This is contained in the video broadcast by him, where key officers has been appointed. Anambra 2021, Anambra teachers endorsed Soludo. The Nigerian Union of Teachers, NUT, Nnewi South Chapter endorsed Soludo as their sole candidate for the Anambra gubernatorial election, says they are solidly behind him because his consolidation, continuity and expansion vision is divine. Anambra teachers are fully solidified and solidonized. Dr. K. Chikura, Education Secretary Emirata National Teachers Coordinator, SSG Worldwide. For news and details, visit www.bvichannel1.com and follow us on all our social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. BVI Channel 1 is the code, and don't forget to subscribe to BVI Channel 1. Thank you, stay well, stay blessed.